Good morning, Namaskar. Welcome to day one of our week two. And I'm really very happy the way you all have done in day one. So, in week two, we are going to little bit pace up the level of our exercises. Okay, so now in day one, the position will be almost similar to what we did in day one of week one. Okay, so before we move further, here's your Energizer song. But in this Energizer song, I want you to sing along. Alright, so like we have Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa in our Hindi, so we have similarly Do, Re, Mi in English. Okay, so I want you to learn this new thing and sing along. Okay, this is going to really activate your brain cells, and since this is a new activity for most of you, this will be really beneficial for your cognitive powers. Alright, so here's your Energizer.
Let's all jump and sing along. Do,
Do,
re,
re,
mi,
mi,
fa,
fa,
so,
so,
la,
la,
ti,
ti,
do,
do,
do, re, mi, fa,
do, re, mi, fa,
so, la, ti, do.
so, la, ti, do.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
Welcome back. Now in this session we will talk about again abdominal bracing, your breathing pattern and finding the neutral spine. So as I've told you, in this particular exercise your position would be you are lying straight and one leg will be up and you would be resisting against it. Okay, so before you resist against it and you lift your leg, the first step would be to lift your spine maximally up, arch it up, flatten it down, find your neutral spine. Correct? You've got your neutral spine. Gently pull onto your abdominal muscles and at the same time keep lifting your leg up. Okay? Then put your hand on your thigh. Put your hand on the thigh and breathe out and keep pushing your leg up and keep resisting with your hand. Breathe out, keep pushing your leg up and resisting with your hand. So in this is how we are going to ace our breathing pattern along with the abdominal contractions. Okay? Okay, so before we proceed to our exercise, here's your exercise preview for today. Welcome back. So now is the time for your mental imagery. So I want you to close your eyes and feel you are lying straight. Please do not perform the movement at this stage. Only and only imagine the movement. Okay. So just close your eyes and gently bend your knees. Once you have bent your knee, arch your spine up maximally. Flatten it down, find your neutral spine. Once you have found your neutral spine, breathe out and slowly lift your leg up so that your leg area makes an angle of 90 degrees with your knee or your thigh. Okay, once you've done that, now resist it with your hand. Place your hand on your thigh. Try to push your knees towards your chest. Your hand will try to push your leg away and keep breathing out. Fantastic. Now let's get onto the floor and start with our exercise. Okay, so before we proceed to the exercise, may I remind you, now we are in week 2, so the level is going to increase. So now you have to perform 3 sets of 20 repetitions. And as I have always told you, more than number of repetitions, it's a quality of movement that I'm looking for. Okay, so make sure you perform really well, keeping a good control of your movement. So here we go for our set 1.
To do this exercise, lie on your mat, bend your knees and move your spine up and down to find the neutral spine. Once you've found the neutral spine, lift up your leg, making an angle of 90 degrees with the hip and the knee. Now slowly breathe out and press your hand against your knee. Your knee will tend to come up towards your face and your hand is going to resist it. Keep doing this, and while your knee tries to come up, resist its movement with your hand and keep contracting your abdominal muscles and pelvic floor muscles. Make sure you contract the muscles while you are breathing out. Try to keep moving your leg towards your face side and resist the movement with your hand. Keep doing it with keeping a pace in your breathing pattern and the abdominal muscles contractions. Target to do 10 repetitions on each leg. Now we will change the leg. Lift up your left side, keeping sure the angle between the hip and knee is 90 degrees. Breathe out. Try to move your knee towards your face and your hand will resist the movement. Hold that position and breathe out. Again, hold that position and breathe out. Make sure your hand is resisting nicely against your knee, which is trying to come up towards your face, and your abdominal muscles and your pelvic floor muscles are contracted nicely. Keep doing it and make sure there is a good coordination between muscle contraction and your force application. Try to reach a target of 10 repetitions on your left side. Relax and get to the neutral position.
Very nice. I know reaching the level of 20 repetitions is not easy, but we'll try doing that in a set 2. Okay, time for set 2.
For the second set, remember the basic principle to find the neutral spine as your first step by arcing your spine completely up and down. Once you have done that, slowly lift your leg up, making sure the angles is 90 degrees. And as you try to move your knee towards your face, your hand is going to resist the movement. At the time of resistance, you will breathe out. Once you have done about 10 repetitions on this side, you will repeat the same exercise on the other side. You lift your leg up, resist it with your left hand, and while you resist any movement, you will continue to breathe out. Try doing 10 repetitions and make sure while you are doing this exercise, you are breathing out and contracting your abdominal muscles and pelvic floor muscles. A good coordination is very important to perform this exercise perfectly.
Very nice. And now we will proceed to our set 3. Okay, so let's go ahead.
For the third and last set, again remember to find the neutral spine, then slowly lift your right leg up, resist the movement of right knee towards your face with your right hand. Make sure when you are applying force and resisting these two movements, you are breathing out through your mouth and at the same time contracting your abdominal muscles and your pelvic floor muscles. Once you have achieved the target of 10 repetitions on this side, you will change the leg and again will repeat the same step of resisting the movement of left knee towards your face with your left hand. Make sure while resisting these movements, you are breathing out, contracting your abdominal muscles and pelvic floor muscles. Once you have reached 10 repetitions, slowly bring the leg down and relax.
Fantastic. You all have tried your level best to do this exercise, and let me tell you one thing. Even if you are not able to achieve the repetitions, please continue doing it. Continue doing it because sooner or later you will be able to reach your target. But what is most important is the quality of movement. So on this note, let me say you goodbye till we meet again. Keep practicing.